In this video, I'll show you how to boost FPS and fix FPS drops in Valorant Season 2025 Act 6. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to Settings and then scroll to the bottom. Here, look for Network Buffering and set it to minimum. After that, go to Video. Go to General. Look for NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency and set it into On plus Boost. And then go to Graphics Quality. Here, to achieve high FPS, you need to set the multi-threaded rendering on, and the material, texture, detail, UI quality, you have to set it low. Turn off Vignette. Turn off VSync. Anti-aliasing none. Anisotropic filtering 2x. Improve clarity, experimental sharpening, bloom, distortion, cast shadow should be turned off also. After that, you can see a drastic change on your FPS. To fix FPS drop, here is a useful tip that I always use. If you are currently playing and you experience your FPS is dropping, try pressing Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B and it will reset your video driver. You just need to wait a couple of seconds or minutes and it should be good after that. And that's it. Thanks for watching.